Saturday, October the 3rd, 2020. Good morning, everyone. Looking at Tropical Storm Gamma. Remember, we're into the Greek alphabet now. And it's a very powerful storm. It's 65 miles per hour, and it more than likely will slow down somewhat as it crosses the Yucatan Peninsula, getting back into the Gulf and dipping into the Bay of Campeche. It's going to rapidly strengthen. Remember the model that we looked at last night, guys, where it became very strong, very quick, and the second storm came in behind it. We're going to look at those models real quick. But again, very well-defined storm here, 65 miles per hour. Now, if you look at this NOAA graphic from the National Hurricane Center, guys, we're going back into that cycle again. You see there's two more storms that are out into the Atlantic. Not much to them yet. 10% chance of development, 20% chance here. We'll watch these. But now we have a 50% chance of cyclone formation on the second storm right there that's in the Caribbean now. Here's Gamma, 65 miles an hour. It is moving northwest at 9 miles an hour. The central pressure is already dropping at 987, guys. We're going to have to keep an eye on Gamma and this second storm. Now, we got a wide range of spaghetti models here. The Navy model, which I trust a lot, in the purple, brings it up over the Bay of Campeche, loops it back just temporarily, not diving into the Bay of Campeche, then loops it back towards Florida. Now, the second storm is supposed to be coming in somewhere in the same area. Now, the CMC is on the opposite end of the scale. It has it coming into the peninsula there, the Yucatan, and then dropping down into Mexico, and I guess just petering out at that point. You can see your other spaghetti models. We'll look at a couple of the moving models. Now, what we're seeing here is the first storm coming in, Gamma. It again skates the tip of the Yucatan, comes up and comes into Louisiana here. Second storm is coming up closer to Florida at this point. Now, I think what we're going to see is maybe not is the strengthening that we would normally see, simply because it was 45 degrees when I got up a few minutes ago. It is now 49 degrees at 8:46, so we got very cool air here in the south, and that will cool things down somewhat. We'll keep an eye on it, though, because the high pressure system that you see setting above the southeast in the orange and yellow, that is pulling out towards the Atlantic. And that's going to be where these storms go, into that gap. You see that? Now, we're still a few days out. We'll be keeping an eye on it, guys. I just wanted to come in early. I'm going to be very busy here for the next few hours. So this is what we got. Prepare accordingly. You got a 65 mile per hour tropical storm now. We'll just have to see how these models change over the next few days. It's a heads up. Be safe.